Well, that's the swimming pool. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. And if you're new, well, hey, what's up? What the hell? Welcome back to my channel, everybody. And if you're new, hey, what's up? It's good. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we'll be painting my room. Not really redecorating it, but definitely repainting it. I'm tired of this color. I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing this color in the background. I want it gone. I need it gone. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to start with this wall. I already laid down the plastic, so I'm going to try and start with this wall. Obviously, I am not a professional, but we'll see how I do. What the bedroom currently looks like. Yeah, still got some stuff I'm going to move my bag, definitely. So I'm starting with this wall. So there's this wall just up there, this wall over here, and then this wall over here. It's not that big, it's not that huge. Shouldn't take that long, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna try and start with this side, and we'll see how that goes down. Because I'm a genius, I didn't press record. But anyway, whatever. Doesn't that look white? It really looks white, if you ask me. And it's not supposed to be white. That bottom part looks like a mess. Look at that. Looks like a city. Oh, look at my hand. Fabulous, amazing. Nice.
It looks more white on camera.
And then
Yeah.
we're gonna think I'm in a white bedroom. Anyway, I have to go fetch the ladder, so I can obviously go do up there because the. But this is my progress so far because what a wow.
Tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I don't know why I don't trust ladders.
Me neither, child. I don't know how I'm gonna get over to the top. Mom's gonna do that. I'm not falling. For a wall. I'm not falling for a wall. My hands are aching. Or rather, my hand. I'll show you guys what I'm eating, but it's done. Just had regular toast with butter, and this is some tea. What the heck is that in the corner of my cup? Ew. Oh, it's just a crumb. Ha. Anyway, and some tea. Watching MasterChef, but I'm gonna stop now because obviously I have to get back to work, which is very sad because I normally finish all my MasterChef episodes when I watch them, but I'm gonna have to finish this one later. Time is not on my side. This is me today since you haven't seen my face a lot. I don't have that many specks of paint on my face, and I thought I would. It's just my arms that are outrageous, but it's not that hard to actually wash off. You just need like good enough soap, and it like just moves off. Because my hand is fine, it's just my arm, because I mean I don't need my arm to eat, so I don't clean up my arm, but my hands are pretty okay, except for obviously the bigger pieces. But yeah, let's head back. And we're back. Even if just you, travesty. That's what it would be. So because I'm not done painting, I didn't put my bed back into my room, so I'm now set up in the lounge because I had the mattress up here and the base was still down there. So, just putting everything back to get into my room when I'm not done is just like, why? So I'm set up here now. Here is my mattress and my pillows. You see the couches and everything. So yeah, I'm fully up here. And now I'm just going to watch some YouTube. Because, what else can I do with my time? Yeah. This is me until I fall asleep. As it goes. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do the second coat. While my assistant was helping me, I agreed to make food. So there's the food. There's my assistant eating. So I made food and now we're going to watch MasterChef. You know the deal. You know how it goes. Let's go. Retake my videos from this direction as you saw in my previous one. Then finally I'm gonna have like a calmer background. So literally you're gonna see obviously me, and then like I'm saying, a much calmer background. And then I think I want to use this wall here as like a photo wall, since it's like completely plain. And look how fire that would be, because like I guess you can kind of see the purple, but more or less looks white on camera, and I love that. So I finally have a decent calm wall to photo shoot in, and a calm beautiful background for my videos. So I'm super excited that I'm done. Yay! Super informal, but I just got out the bath as you saw. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I'm finally done. I'm not gonna really do anything right now. I'm like so tired. I'm so exhausting. Painting a room is so tiring. Oh my word. And imagine I wanted to finish it yesterday because I could have, because I sleep really late anyway, so I was like I could finish it. But like as soon as I got to the sitting room after when I was eating the second time, I was just like, I can't actually, I'm lying. I'm absolutely lying. I'm going to pass out if I go back into that room and paint some more. So that's why I finished it today, because I could have, but if I did, I would have been knocked the hell out this whole entire day. So I'm literally just going to lie here and I'm going to do nothing. Like, that's my plan. Lay here, do nothing, read TikTok, YouTube, Netflix, whatever the hell I want to do, but I don't plan on doing anything for the rest of the day. I'm exhausted. So thank you I think that's too close. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Hopefully we're doing my hair next week. So bye.